Hi, Clay Allison from Wicked Edge again. A lot of people ask us if our sharpener can handle fully flat ground blades. For illustration purposes, I've got this Indian kukri that came back from a trip to India. It's really more of just a display knife, but it really shows very nicely how thick it is at the spine and how it just tapers straight down to the edge with no parallel faces. And that is a concern that people have asked us about. Can we clamp something that doesn't have parallel faces? And the quick answer is yes. It's a little more challenging, but it definitely can be done. So I just set the knife into the clamp and then make sure it's just vertical here. I'm going to try and turn it end on so you can see it better. The blade is standing up vertically. This blade is not perfectly forged. It's handmade, and it's got a lot of asymmetry to it. It's not a perfect piece of metal, but you can see that I've got it roughly vertical, and then I'm going to tighten the bottom screw, and I've got a lot of clamping power here that I can apply. And now you can see that it's locked in. I mean, there's no back and forth motion to it, and so we've really grabbed this blade well. I mean, I can pick up the table with it. It's really a solid clamp. The trick to doing it is to make sure that the bottom of the clamp is already spaced to about the width of the spine. And if you do that and loosen the top and then snug up the top nicely, when you go to tighten up the bottom, it really locks it in. And that's the basic secret to it. The only thing is that you do have to look at it and visually inspect to make sure that it's vertical. And that's pretty easy to do and to judge. So that's pretty much it, how we do a fully flat ground blade on our sharpener.